What's up, my people? How you all doing today? Welcome back to Dawnae's kitchen. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how to make pumpkin rice. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, share the video, comment upon the video them, alright? So guys, this is the ingredients that I'll be using today. I have the pumpkin already cut up. I have unsalted butter. I have some onion cut up already, green onion and some thyme. And over here I have the rice already. Measure out is 1.5 cup of rice I'm going to be cooking today. So that already measure out is just to wash. And this right here, I got that from Shein, is to wash the rice. It's very convenient. So that is what I will be using today. So stick around for the steps. So guys, we have the pot ready and I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter and let this melt. So the butter melt out and ready. I'm gonna add the onion, green onion and thyme and garlic to go on stir fry. And everything that I'm using today, I'm gonna put it in the description box so you all can see the exact measurement that I use to make this dish. So just stick around and watch the video, guys. Don't forget to like up the video. So guess what? Now adding the garlic. I'm gonna let that saute a little bit, and then I'm gonna add the pumpkin and let that saute as well. Now that everything is sauteed, I'm gonna add 1 can of coconut milk, and then I'm gonna add also 1 cup of water to cover over the pumpkin so I can let it boil. So now that I add the water, I'm just gonna season the pot a little bit. Cause remember, I want a little bit of seasoning. So I'm gonna add a pinch of salt. And then now I'm gonna add some cock flavor seasoning. If you don't have this one, you can use the one in the package or any all-purpose season that you have, so you can give it little flavor. And then I'm just gonna stir this right now and cover the pot and leave it to boil for maybe like about 15 minutes or until the pumpkins are tender. So you can use your finger and smash it and see if it is soft enough before I go ahead and then add the rice. So now I'm going to cover up the pot and leave it to go and simmer. So now the pumpkin them cook, so it's time to add the rice. And see the water there boil up, or should I say the coconut milk boil up. So now I washed the rice already and I'm just gonna pour it in there and make sure I scrape out the one that's left because it's wet. So just gonna scoop that out. And you can see the color, the water already. See it turn slightly yellow. So I'm just gonna use a spoon and mix this around, and then turn the stove on low and let it just steam. Before I close the pot, I'm gonna add some pimento seeds and then put my Scotch bonnet pepper in there, the whole pepper. I'm using the green color one. And then I'm gonna add 2 more tablespoons of butter because I want the rice to be fluffy and nice. So just add the butter and just cover the pot and let the rice steam. So after about 15 minutes or so, the rice is now done, and this is the final result. So I'm just gonna take a fork and fluff this rice right now. You see how it's shelly and nice? Yeah, that is the pumpkin rice, and you can just have this as a side dish with any kind of meat of your choice. See how the grain them fluffy and nice. So have this with any meat of your choice. I hope you tried this recipe, guys. Let me all know, and you can share it with me what you do. So I'm having mine today with a sliced fish and some broccoli, and this is what my plate looks like. So please, guys, subscribe to my channel, like up the video them, share up the video them, comment on the video them. Let us all be friends. Thank you all for watching.